Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of NFTs, those unique digital assets that have taken the internet by storm. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And if you're enjoying this video, consider sharing it with your friends. Alright, let's get started. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have become a hot topic recently. They are digital assets that use blockchain technology to verify their authenticity and ownership. But what does that mean exactly? Blockchain is a decentralized, open ledger that records every transaction made on a network. Because of this, NFTs are incredibly secure and tamper-proof. This ensures that each NFT is truly unique, unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged for one another. One of the most exciting aspects of NFTs is their ability to represent ownership of digital goods, like music, art, and even tangible objects. Imagine owning a digital collectible or a rare piece of art with verified ownership. NFTs make that possible. Now, you might be wondering where you can buy or sell NFTs. Well, that's where NFT marketplaces come in. These platforms function similarly to traditional marketplaces but with a digital twist. Just like owning and collecting physical goods, you can now own and manage your digital assets with ease. While NFTs have already gained significant attention, it's worth noting that we're just scratching the surface. The potential for NFTs to revolutionize how we acquire and own digital assets is enormous. As the market evolves, new and exciting use cases will likely emerge. Now, here's an important word of caution. NFTs might be an intriguing investment opportunity, but they come with inherent risks. The value of NFTs can be extremely volatile, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and not investment advice. NFTs and cryptocurrencies are unregulated and carry substantial risks. Always consult with financial experts before making any investment decisions. That wraps up our guide on the 5 things you should know about NFTs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest trends and technologies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.